Are you ready for a really easy block? Well, let's weather it together then. Hi everyone, Cristin here, and we are continuing with our Spring Showers quilt. Today we have a really easy one. So the Let's Weather It quilt block is on page 21 of your booklet, and it's very easy. We actually just have one piece of fabric. I think we can handle that, right? All right, so our one piece of fabric today is the white with teal dots on it. White with teal dots. Make sure to back this with fusible stabilizer. There is only embroidery on this block, no applique. So you want to make sure that this is well stabilized. I'm using the Kimberbell fusible backing and it's working great. You can see it's very crisp. It's not flimsy at all, very crisp. All right, so this one we are going to start with it at 8.5 by 8.5 for our white with teal main fabric. And then we are going to quilt this. And whenever we quilt, we use batting. So our batting is determined by the final cut size. Our final cut size of this project is 6.5 by 6.5. So that means we want a piece of batting that's at least 7 by 7. Nice and easy. All right, and then a couple of tips on this one. So some of us have been using metallic thread for our rain. I've heard other people are also even using it for their quilting. Great if you can handle metallic thread on your quilting. So metallic thread can be finicky, but I showed in the first video that I put my metallic thread on a thread stand behind my machine, and that gives it room to be able to let go of all of those curls that it tends to do. So it just gives it some space. And that works really well. I haven't had any problems yet, but I don't know that I would want to do my entire quilt in metallic thread because I slow my machine down. It could just take a little bit longer, but those that are doing it, more power to you. It's so pretty. Why wouldn't you, right? So I want to point out that on this one, if you're going to do your quilting design in metallic thread, because it's rain, we're going to use rain. Let's talk about that. So our final cut size is 6.5 by 6.5. So that means we want a quilting design that is 6 by 6. I am going to use, I think it was called Weather 1. Yep, Weather 1 in 6 by 6 in horizontal, and it's the one that looks like rain. So it would be fun to do it in a metallic thread. But I want to point out that this block only has embroidery. It's words. So my tendency when I'm doing a block that has words, just words, if there's an applique, then I think it's fun to have the quilting design stand out because it's behind a lot of the applique fabrics. This one is just wording, and so you want to be able to see your wording. You want the wording to stand out. I do anyway. Do it however you want to do you. But so I just want to point out that you would want to think about what color thread you're using for your quilting design versus the color of thread that you're going to use on the design. So I haven't totally decided yet, but on the other ones I used this, what was it called? Pale Mist for wind. So, but this one is rain, and it is actually on this fabric. I think I might do that cashmere. Remember I talked about cashmere on the first block? I'm not sure, but the cashmere would be a nice one for the wind part of this design because there's words and then there's wind. So you could use this. I think this might even be what the actual Kimberbell one used, but you want to just look at what it is on your fabric and what's going to stand out. Another one that would be nice is this. I might do that. I haven't decided for sure yet, but I'm just pointing this out so you start thinking about what you want to have for your quilting design, for the thread color, and for the thread color of your wind that is on the design, and the wording. So the wording, I think they use that teal. It looks like teal to me. It's called Tidewater. I'll probably use that for my wording. And so some options if you decide to do your wind in metallic. There is a Glide Glisten, it's just called Deep Silver. That would be really nice. Or Kingstar Metallic has this MS1 that is silver, and there's probably others too, but these are the two that I have. So anyway, some options, some things to think about for this block. It's a very easy block. So like I said, 6x6 horizontal, I'm using Weather 1, and very easy block. So let's go ahead and get started on it. Hey everyone, so real quick, when I get messages with questions, I try to also share this information with the group in case others have the same question. So a gal contacted me and said that she's very frustrated with her embroidery machine because it doesn't give the placement stitch and the tack down stitch for the batting. And I said, it sounds like you're probably using the CBT version of the quilting design instead of the block by block version of the quilting design. So just real quick, remember we talked about the blue designs versus the orange designs. Well, the blue designs can be used for clear blue tiles where it is literally just the quilting design, or in that same folder, there's also the block by block version of that same design. So you have to choose. When you choose which quilting design you want, then you open up that folder and it has both. In the blue ones, it'll have the CBT version or it'll have the block by block version. So then you choose from there. On this quilt, we are doing the block by block method. So you would look in the block by block folder and find the quilting design that is the block by block version. So I know it's a little confusing because the orange versus the blue, and then once you decide between those, then you have to decide between the CBT or the block by block. I know it's confusing, but believe me, you'll get it. So we're doing the block by block for this quilt. So always choose the block by block, and that's what gives you the 5 steps. So remember, we talked about the 5 steps. The first one is the placement stitch for the batting. The second one is the tack down stitch for the batting. The third one is the placement stitch for the main fabric. And the fourth one is the tack down or basting stitch of the main fabric. And the fifth one is the quilting design. So if you did the CBT version, then it is just that last one, just the quilting design. So anyway, just wanted to make sure and help clarify in case others have that question as well. We are doing the block by block version, so you want to pick that one in your quilting design. And today's shirt I thought would be really good for this Let's Weather It Together. It is Today Choose Joy. I believe it's a designs by Juju Design. I'm almost positive it is. I will add a link under this video. And Melissa in our group made a really cute spring shirt with this sweatshirt, and I looked on it, she did a different color one. I think hers was gray and pink, and that was awfully cute too. Oh my gosh, I probably will need to get that. But I saw this one with the flowery design on the arms and the hoodie, and I thought that was so cute. So I bought that. It's from Amazon. There's a link under this video. So today, choose joy, even when we're weathering something together, because we're all weathering something at all times anyway. So why not choose joy? There's always something to be thankful for, right? So on the first video, I think it was actually on the prep video, I asked y'all to come up with a goal for this season, the season that we're working on this quilt. So I want to know, how's it going? You got to inspire me. I want to hear how your goal is going, what your goal is, how it's going. I want to hear all about it. So leave a comment under this video. I love to see the comments under there. Make sure to like the video, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, you want to subscribe because that's how you get notifications. I think there's also a bell. Maybe that bell is what gives you the notification. I'm not totally sure, to tell you the truth, but I know that you should get notification whenever a new tutorial is posted so that you can jump in and join along in the fun. Hey everyone, so I'm still seeing questions about the quilting design, so I want to show real quick. So open a tab on your browser, go to Cristin Creates YouTube channel, and on any of the videos, click on any of them, and then here's the video. Down below the video there's this Cristin Creates, and it says click here to see links below the video, and click show more, and then here's all the links of everything that you would need to know. So coming up, next up is our spring showers. Here is the link to purchase the items from our sponsor Daylily. Right below that is the link to their affiliate for Kimberbell quilting design. So if we click on that, then it will take us to Kimberbell, and you can't see that it's doing anything for our sponsor, but it does in the background. So if you click on their affiliate link, which is underneath all of our videos, it will take you to this Kimberbell website. So then you would click on products and then background quilting. And then from there, you can choose the quilting designs you want to purchase. So let me give you a real quick tip. If you want to buy the bundle, I find it easier to find the bundle if I click this little search button here and I type in bundle. I don't know why, but sometimes they're harder to find in the tabs, and this pulls it up. So here's the Spring Showers Quilting Bundle, and you just click on that. So Spring Showers Quilting Bundle, and it'll show you all the items that are in that bundle if you decide to get the bundle. It's on sale right now for $109 instead of $129. You would click add to cart. If you don't want to buy the whole bundle, again, you would go to products and then background quilting. Here's my speaker. Sorry, I hope you heard all of this. My little microphone. So we are in the quilting, and then I do the block by block designs most often. So you click on that, and then you can see all of the various quilting designs. So you can pick and choose a couple to add to your library. You can add the entire bundle to your library. I purchased the bundle, and so I am going to be showing on every tutorial, I will say I'm using this quilting design. So that's how you get to it. You just click add to cart for the ones that you choose, or again, up at the search bar, click bundle. But again, if you can use our affiliate link, it is under every video. See right here, it says next up and is spring showers, and then it gives the coupon code, it gives a link to the items, and then underneath it says, and if you order any quilting designs from Kimberbell or items from the vault, you can use their affiliate link here. So whenever we are doing a project that is sponsored, I always provide the affiliate link of the sponsor that is supporting our project. So if you can support them by clicking on that affiliate link and then purchasing your items from there, it would be really appreciated. So quick and easy. It's under every single video. Again, this is the video. It's going on right now, and then you just scroll down below that. If you're on a mobile phone, then I think it is on the right of the video description is on the right. It'll say Cristin Creates like it does here, and then on the right there's a little arrow. You click that arrow and it gives that video description, and all the same information is there. Excuse my look, I just got back from a short bike ride. So anyway, I hope this helps.